I've got my lens back, my Tamron lens back, from a company in London called Fixation. So actually that's good. Actually now obviously be careful with scissors, and obviously be careful with, but yeah, and actually I'm filming on my iPhone but using the gimbal, the yaaaa M6 gimbal to film. So yeah. But I actually highly recommend Fixation to get anything repaired, like camera equipment or lenses or anything. So yeah, I'm just unwrapping. I'm just under the box that came in. You know, it's iron bore wrap. So that'd be handy to ease at Christmas and happy birthdays. And then more wrapping. But then, obviously, let's get up. That must be the bill. Yeah, that's the bill. And then, obviously, my Tamron lens. Now, then I say more packaging. So obviously got my Tamron lens back. Yeah, 18400. Nice one. And then say to put on a green label on. So happy days. Just have a look. My lens. That's the original bill. I brought it off Amazon. Okay, let's get out the Tamron lens. And I must be careful with it. So let's have a look at the Tamron lens. Wow. All fixed. And they've also fixed the actual grip, so that's good. After the grip on it was a bit flappy, so yeah. Then autofocus. I use autofocus to autofocus things on, and then vibration control on off. So yeah, that's a nice shiny lens glass. So yeah. Yes. Also yeah. I forgot then. About the lock on it. So if I just unlock it, yeah, look at that. Hell yeah! Happy days. So I am one happy photographer. Happy days. So I can now use my Tamron lens for my nature and my walks, because obviously my Tamron lens, it's obviously a lot more nature and walks than my Sigma lens. So happy days. So roll on my wildlife walks. So if anyone wants to get the camera related things repaired, I recommend Fixation. The base in London. So yeah, but actually you have to contact him on the website, which is Fixation, for a Google search, and then obviously he sends for the DPP, DPP to come and they'll take your parcel and you send your camera or your lens or whatever, and they'll fix it and they'll give you a price. So happy days, I'm well happy. So happy Monday all, hey! So I'm well happy. So yeah, proper happy. So for my wildlife walks, or say like it's like odd it's like odd so not gigs, but it's like odd like outdoor events, like say Carter Vintage, or say it is like some from downtown centre, say during the day, or say like say at Christmas when the Christmas lights being turned on. So happy days. I am one happy bunny. So I'll be posting this both on my Facebook page and obviously on my YouTube channel. So on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe to me, which is Andy Photography, and then I say on my photography page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to say share and like my photography page on Facebook, which is Andy Photography. So thank you and happy Monday afternoon or evening, and we'll talk soon. Ta-da. Hey.